Get out here. See if we can get close to 60 miles an hour. Got the new Rocket 3660 2600 kV OSE Strut HD flex cable. I had the 2150 kV in here and I got 53 out of it, so shooting for 60 today. So let's see what we can do. Got pretty decent water conditions, so hopefully we can get close to it. Alright, GPS in, start. It's working. Good to go. I got my strut position pretty close to where I had it. Let's see if I have to make some adjustments on it. Pull it in and see. Get it trimmed out. Whew. Little unsteady. Pull trigger. Oh, man. A little choppy. Well, let's go get her. Got some water in there. I wonder if this freaking water jacket's leaking on this new motor. We were upside down though, so we'll have to see. Let's see what kind of speeds we got. Stop, read, 53. So exactly what I got my top speed with the other motor for the chop, so hopefully we can get better. Screenshot that. Alright. Start. Working. Almost messed up. We'll have to change that strut position. Just right there, as soon as I get full trigger and get some speed on her, she just lifts out of the water. Alright. Make a change, we'll come back to it. Got her back. I should have done it on camera, but 55 mile an hour before she tumbled over, so let me move this strut down just a hair, and I think we're going to get, hopefully we can back this 55 up without a wreck, maybe get 60. Screenshot that. Boom. All right. Oop. I was about 1 millimeter above flush, so I think I'm gonna go just completely flush with her. Flush. Yeah. Perfect. Isn't that the cutest little wrench you ever seen? Alright, let's try this again. Alright. Track, start. Good to go. Strut position, completely flush. Let's see what we can do. Losing the sticker. Full trigger. Ooh! Oh, landed it. I got into it too quick. Too much throttle too quick. Lean your throttle, full trigger. Oh. Just pulling a little bit. Make sure I didn't bend anything on that wreck. I don't see anything. Full trigger. Whew, she's getting it. All right, I'm holding her in the water a little bit better. That was a good run, a couple of good runs. Let's see what we got. Stop, read. 55 mile an hour. So we backed up to 55 mile an hour. I don't know. Might play around with props. Maybe change that strut position again, go back up with it. I don't know, but hey, I'm happy with 55. It's not 60, but it's still awesome with a out of the box 30-mile-an-hour boat, 24 inches long, going 55 mile an hour. So I'm just fixing to have some fun with it, bash it around. Pretty dang stable. Guess that's it. Huh. I don't know what that was. It was like low voltage cutout. But then it felt like it was dragging. Let's see what we got going on. The temperatures 103, 104, 130, 132, 140, 122, 119, 116, 115, so got 143 on that ESC. Might be a little too much prop, but I've been running it hard. 4S battery, couple 195 on the wires, 114 on the battery. I might have been low. It might have been a temp cutout on the ESC, 'cause it's 143 on it. Wires don't feel too hot. That motor's warm. Well, I'm gonna put my 3814 on it. See what that does. Anyway, we'll be back. All right. Battery died on my camera, so I'm going back to the phone, but show the went up 2mm on strut, put on my OSE 3814 prop. Still the same setup, 4S, everything else the same. I just changed that up. So let's see what we can get out of it with this little prop and strut adjustment. Well, we got 55 mile an hour out of it before she blew over, so I've gone back to just the flush strut position, a little more neutral angle, just a touch up angle. Just any higher, it just likes to blow over. So we'll see what we can do with this. All right, guys, had an excellent day on the water. This little blackjack 24. I ended up running out of battery on my Insta 360 go-to camera, so I didn't get a whole lot of footage, if any, on swapping to this OSE 38mm prop. It ran good. I had moved my strut position back up about 2mm when I did the prop change, and it's still just at around 50 mile an hour, so just wanted to lift out of the water. So went back down on it, and it ran great. 55 mile an hour, again, nothing changed from the 42mm octura to this one, so it ran a little bit better in my opinion. Even though it still ran 55, it ran great. Could bash it around, run it hard. Temps were a little bit cooler, but they still got hot, so I'll probably looking to do a secondary cooling pickup somewhere, or another rudder maybe. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to do with it, but it was a blast with this prop. Say consistent 55 mile an hour, ran great. Just bashing it around, having fun with it. I don't know if I want to change anything with it. Maybe blueprint the hull, but I've never done that before, so I don't want to mess anything up. Other than that, no, I'm extremely happy with it. It wasn't 60, but 55 is good enough for what it is. I mean, it's a 24-inch plastic boat. It handles good, runs good. So I really just want to give a shout out to Big B over at Ironclad RC, his YouTube channel. He does so much work to these boats, and he definitely inspired me to make some changes and get this thing to run good. And yeah, boat gang. So anyway, that's it.